Hello everybody, my name is Shivi Singhal. I am a German language trainer at Meerut Institute of Technology, Meerut. So today we are going to learn few words in German language. Basically, we are going to cover the basic greetings, that how we can greet in German language. So the very first greeting is good morning. In English, we simply say good morning at the very beginning of the day. In German, it will be said like Guten Morgen. I repeat, Guten Morgen. The spelling is G-U-T-E-N, Guten, M-O-R-G-E-N, Morgen, Guten Morgen. The second greeting is good afternoon or good day. We generally say like this in English. In German, we will say it Guten Tag. I repeat, Guten Tag. And the spelling is G-U-T-E-N, Guten, and T-A-G, Tag, Guten Tag. The next greeting is good evening. We simply say in English good evening. In German, we will say Guten Abend. I repeat, Guten Abend. The spelling is G-U-T-E-N, Guten, A-B-E-N-D, Abend, Guten Abend. The last greeting of the day is good night. We simply say this in English. In German, we will say Gute Nacht. I repeat, Gute Nacht. The spelling is G-U-T-E, Gute, N-A-C-H-T, Nacht, Gute Nacht. So let's recall once again. Guten Morgen is good morning. Guten Tag is good afternoon or good day. Guten Abend is good evening. And Gute Nacht is good night. That's all for the day. Thank you.